Oh. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video and welcome to a clothing haul. Yes, you heard it right. I am doing a clothing haul after a very long time. I don't even remember when I did that last, but I'm super excited to share all of the pieces that I've got in today's haul. It is not from one particular place, but it is from multiple places, and I'm going to do a try on haul for all of you. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin with some winter wear first, and let's begin with something that I'm wearing right now. This is a very cute mint green sweater. I must admit that this is definitely not my style, but when I saw this one in the store, I got this from Target. I immediately fell in love with this because it looks just so cute, very chic, and the color is to die for. I have been loving colors like this and I thought that I should just pick this up. So I did. This one is from Target. I will make sure to link all the prices, sizes in the description box below, as well as I will leave it on the screen. You can pair it up with your basics, either whites or blacks. I am wearing a white ganji inside and I have paired it up with blue denims. I think it looks very cute. Also, I think the quality is very good. It is not like your winter jacket, but I think it would suffice you in cooler weathers, say 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, and I think it's a great buy. Let's move on to something that I picked up from Target as well. These extremely cute full sleeves tops. These are round neck and I got this one in beige color. The best thing about this is that it really fits like a glove. It is just perfect. I think in the size XXS. I thought that it would be too small for me, but the material is stretchable. Also, it is extremely warm. I am currently in Seattle where there are really cold weathers, but I could totally use this as layering. I wear this top and then a jacket on top of it and I'm sorted. I liked it so much that I picked it up in another color as well. I picked it up in black and this is how it looks like, your basic black full sleeves t-shirt, and I think it is a steal deal. Next up, I picked up one top from Express and this is how it looks like. It is a turtleneck white full sleeves top. It would easily pass as a sweater because it is so good quality. It is extremely thick. I have used this so much in the past month or so. I've literally used and abused this, but it is amazing. Also, I think there were various different color options and I think I'm going to pick another one. Next up is a jacket. I got this very cute jacket. It does give you, I think, K-pop vibes. I don't own anything in this category, and when I saw this, I instantly fell in love with this. This is from Guess and I am in the size extra small. I think this looks so cool. You can wear your basics inside and just put this on and it will instantly elevate your look. I absolutely also love how it looks from behind. It has Guess written on top of it. I love the color scheme. It goes with absolutely everything, but also looks very unique and would highly recommend. I have just one piece in bottom, so I have this denim which is in a very light blue washed out color. This one is from American Eagle. I always owned a pair of denims which are either skinny or very tight fitting, but I wanted to experiment a little bit, and this is the one which is in baggy style. I don't know what it is called, maybe mom jeans or boyfriend jeans, but it looks so good. I always thought that these kind of denims would make me look even shorter, but if you pair this up with a crop top or even anything which fits very well on the top, I think this denim looks amazing and I'm so happy with this purchase. Let's move on to my favorite category now, and that is the dresses. So I picked up this first one. Look at how beautiful this is. This one is from Windsor and it is in this very pretty orange color. It gives you that summer vibes, though it is not summer right now here in Seattle, but it is so pretty. I wore this, I think, on my anniversary as well. Again, it fits me like a dream. I cannot even begin explaining. I think this is so far my favorite dress that I have in my collection. Yes, it is a big statement to make, but I love how it fits me. I love how it looks, and it is just the perfect length. It is kind of like a midi dress, so it comes below my knees, and if you can pair it up with like a pair of heels and I absolutely love this. Last but definitely not the least is this one that I picked up from Urbanic. So this is like a tube dress. I did not, I think, own any tube dresses before because I always thought that it wouldn't fit me well, but it fits so perfectly. And this has very cute like ruffle detailing going on the side. It is a short dress and it is in the color brown. I think this color looks very flattering on like Indian skin tone. I wore this in Maldives during like a photo shoot. I'll make sure to insert some of the pictures that we took during the photo shoot here, and I think it looked very pretty. This was the first time I shopped from Urbanic, and I would definitely say that their products are such good quality. Also, the size measurements which are given on the website match exactly with what your actual products are. So I'm very happy with the purchase from Urbanic and would definitely shop again. And that's basically it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel below, follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.